The most heartfelt thank you note someone ever sent you was probably written in under 5 minutes, and the most forgettable one took way longer. The difference isn't time, it's specificity. A generic thank you so much it really meant a lot lands flat because it could have been written for anyone. Free ChatGPT can fix that, and the way it does it will genuinely surprise you, because the trick isn't asking it to write for you, it's asking it to think with you. Here's what actually happens when people sit down to write a thank you message. They stare at a blank screen, type something like, I just wanted to say thank you, immediately hate it, and then send something that sounds exactly like everyone else's note. Not because they don't care, because they can't figure out how to make the feeling inside their head match the words on the page. ChatGPT, free, no subscription needed, just go to chat.openai.com, is weirdly good at bridging that gap. Not because it's some magic writing machine, because it asks you the right questions when you prompt it right. Try this. Instead of just saying, write me a thank you note, tell it the situation. Type something like, help me write a thank you message for my coworker who covered for me last Thursday when I had a family emergency. She didn't have to do it. It made a real difference. That context is everything. The message that comes back won't sound like a greeting card. It'll sound like you. Okay, so there's a structure that makes this click every time. Think of it like a little recipe. When you open ChatGPT, give it 3 things: who the person is, what they specifically did, and how it made you feel or what it changed. You don't need to write full sentences. You can literally bullet it. My dad, he drove 4 hours to help me move. I was stressed out of my mind and he just showed up and didn't make it a big deal. Then add, write a thank you message that sounds warm and personal, not formal. Keep it short. That last part matters. Telling ChatGPT the tone you want stops it from going stiff and corporate on you. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, stack future posts one of these every single day. Then read what it gives you back. It probably won't be perfect right away, and that's fine. Tell it. Make it sound less formal, or add something about how this is just who he is. It takes one more message. That's it. This is the part most people skip. They take the first draft and send it, which honestly works fine sometimes. But if you want it to really land, spend 30 seconds personalizing it. Look for any sentence that could have been written for anyone. Your support means so much to me. That's the one. That's the filler. Replace it with something only you would know, an inside joke, a specific detail. You brought coffee without me even asking and somehow knew I'd already run out. That kind of thing. You can even do this inside ChatGPT. Say, here's the draft. Can you add a line that references a specific detail I give you? Then give it the detail. It'll weave it in naturally. What you end up with is something that reads like you sat down and poured your heart out, not like you typed a prompt into a chatbot. That's the whole point of learning how to use AI this way. The message is still yours. You just had a really good thinking partner. The detail is the whole thing. Every great thank you note ever written had one specific moment, one real observation, one sentence that made the person reading it think. They actually noticed. Free ChatGPT doesn't replace that instinct. It helps you get it out of your head and onto the page when you're stuck. Tomorrow we're getting into 5 ChatGPT tricks that actually save you hours every week, and most people completely skip them. That one's worth sticking around for. If this helped, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.